Don't know how long we'll be alright. I wish time would stop so we would last forever. 'Cause I don't know if the last time will be tonight. I knew that we were always bound to say goodbye. I guess I hold on longer than I realize. Even if when the seasons change, letting it go still don't feel right. On to a new phase and your voice starts to fade, but my heart's still beating the same. When all that's left of me frozen in memory, will you still call for my name? Will you still call for my name? Will you call for my name? All we have are the days left behind. Will you still call for my name? There's one or two ways I can see this going. Both involve you walking out my life. I'm always making up these never-ending stories. I guess I'm crazier than I had realized. I'm the hand that you hold when you chase what you need. And you make me believe nothing that I do will save me. Stay overseen. On to a new phase and your voice starts to fade, but my heart's still beating the same. you.